So we're in the Sam Houston National Forest looking for some off-highway vehicle trails. They say the multi-use trails are the only trails in the Sam Houston National Forest that you can take Jeeps on. So we're just kind of wandering around looking for trailheads for OHV Jeep trails. Alrighty.
Hi.
Hi. This is Chelsea.
Hello.
I'm Ryan.
Okay.
And that's Drake. Hey, Drake.
Ryan and I, we live about an hour and a half away from Sam Houston National Forest. And we were not smart enough to call ahead before we got all the way out here. So we pulled up to the multi-purpose use, what's it called?
The OHV, off-highway vehicle
Trails.
multi-use trails.
And it was closed.
Yeah, they're all closed
So
because they say they're too wet.
I went on their website and decided to call because I thought maybe they don't open until like a certain time. I don't know. So we're here and we decided to call once we're here, and they're closed. So we're just trying to find little things to do here and there. If it's a little offbeat path that the Jeep can fit in, then we'll go through it.
We're putting the Jeep, testing its limits today. So far it's been extremely reliable.
Yeah.
We've actually tried to get it stuck.
Alright guys, so we just went through a little off-the-road, off-trail type of area, right?
Yeah.
So now we are on our way to Blueberry Hill?
I think it's called Bluebonnet Hill.
Bluebonnet Hill.
We're in Texas.
At the Sam Houston National Forest. So this is going to be interesting. I hope there's bluebonnets.
It's not going to be bluebonnets for about another month, maybe.
That makes sense.
Because we just had a freeze. Yeah.
Right.
So we were not able to make it all the way out to Bluebonnet Hill because it turned out that Bluebonnet Hill was on a wine vineyard that was closed. So here we are back in the forest looking for some more fun to get into. But we're just out here at Sam Houston National Forest trying to get ourselves lost and find some trails, some Jeep trails, some off-road trails, and so far we've we found several that are, you know, pretty fun, pretty interesting little campsites, you know, just out here exploring. It looks like they are doing some controlled burns out here today.
Yeah.
Lots of burns going on. Looks like they're getting rid of some old dead wood and stuff like that, so we don't have any mass forest fires like that.
Yeah.
So it seems it is lunchtime here in the Sam Houston National Forest. Chelsea over there making some, looks like some turkey sandwiches on some healthy looking tortilla flaxseed stuff that's supposed to be really good for me. And we have Drake here, who, as you can tell, already found some water to roll in. And so here we are. March 10th, 2021 in the Sam Houston National Forest. We're gonna go see if we can find some more off-highway vehicle trails wide enough to drive the Jeep through. Get a little forest wheeling in. Hi, Chelsea.
Hi.
You making good sandwiches?
Yes.
This is our dog Drake. He is what is called a Goldador. He is a mix between a Labrador Retriever and a Golden Retriever. His mother was a Black Labrador from a hunting dog pedigree. His father was a Golden Retriever from a show dog pedigree. As you can see, he loves to fetch, he loves the water, extremely intelligent, great with kids, probably the best dog you can possibly get on planet Earth.
Good boy.
What's up, big boy? Yeah, you having fun? A little mud. Found us a little mud out here in the Sam Houston National Forest. Found a cool little camp spot here too. Right, Chelsea?
guys, so this has been our day at the Sam Houston National Forest. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could do us a favor and like and subscribe, that would be awesome. And we will try to keep sending videos out, uploading videos, new videos and footage of us, Drake, and even the boys, Kyle and Kaden. You'll get to know them pretty soon.
And all right, guys, so thank you for watching. We had a blast out here. Discovered a lot of new things. Discovered a lot of things about the Jeep that I didn't even think it could do. Pretty awesome vehicle. So check back with us as often as possible, and we'll keep trying to send you some content. My name's Ryan.
And I'm Chelsea. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And this is Drake, our best big boy of all the big boys. Yes.
Thank you so much for joining me, Chelsea, and Drake on our adventure. Getting out and exploring nature off the beaten path has become a passion of ours. We have plans to continue upgrading the Jeep and transforming it into our overlanding escape vehicle, as well as adventuring out to many more places. We are planning trips to Big Bend National Park, the mountains of New Mexico and Colorado, and the desert wilderness of Arizona in the coming months. We would love for you to come along with us on all of our future excursions.